Hello, in this video we show you the location and the wiring diagram for the fuel air pressure sensor on Mercedes E270 CDI W211 model. First I'll show you the location of the fuel air pressure sensor in the service manual. That's on the left is what the fuel air pressure sensor looks like, and it's the fuel air pressure sensor is located right there at the end of the fuel rail. Next I'll show you the wiring diagram for this sensor. That in blue is the fuel rail pressure sensor, and we can see there is 3 wires coming from it, and the 3 wires are red and white, green and violet, and green, gray and brown. They're all connected to the engine control module. Next I'll show you the location of the fuel air pressure sensor on the car. We can see the fuel air pressure sensor is right there, just at the end of the rail. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.